Creeper 6533. No, Creeper 456. Do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything to them? Creeper. Yes, let's go. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Hi Creeper. Hi Dragon Flames. What's up, guys?
I actually like this map, guys.
Yeah, I played this map. Me and I played this map. Wait, Creeper? No, I'm saying Creeper. I'm saying that when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will reveal our face, and our friend Dragon Flames will make a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm gonna get chainmail armor. I'm going to get chainmail armor. Creeper, Creeper. Wait, guys. Yeah, guys, we're also gonna make a survival one. We're also gonna make survival. So make sure to be good. Creeper, we're also making survival, you know, right?
Yeah, we are making a survival channel, guys. It's gonna be a new channel.
We're making our
channel. We're making a new channel. It's gonna call survival.
Yes. And Creeper, who is defending the bed? Nobody's defending the bed. Help, Creeper! No, somebody's destroying the bed. Creeper, somebody's destroying the bed. Creeper, somebody's destroying the bed. Creeper. Creeper, somebody's destroying the bed. Creeper, somebody's destroying the bed. Creeper, somebody's destroying the bed.
Okay, get some diamonds so we can upgrade our board or reinforce armor or something like that. Dragon, how much diamonds do you have?
Guys, hurry! Somebody's destroying the bed.
You depend on and I'll break it. I killed it. I killed them. Yes, good. We destroyed Reggie.
Wait, Creeper. We're also going to today, guys. We're gonna play survival in our next video today, and we're also going live today.
Yes, tomorrow we are. Gamer, can you go to Emerald?
No, our bed. No, somebody's destroying me. Somebody's destroying me. No, I died.
You died? Gamer died.
I'm gonna go to Creeper. Let's see where Creeper is. Creeper, where are you? Creeper, where are you? Get some IV, guys. Creeper?
Okay, I'm going to get fireballs.
Creeper!
Gamer, you died.
I know, but Creeper, where are you? Creeper, where are you?
We are at red base. Red base.
With red base, I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. I'm gonna expect you. I'm expecting you. So.
No, guys,
dragon flame. No, we all died.
Okay, yeah, then start the game.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, please, guys. Please.
What, gamer?
I said please subscribe to mine and your channel. Hit the notification bell.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Like the video.
To my channel.
Yeah, please.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my
Yes.
channel.
Yes, please. Finally, Creeper, you voice chatted. Why did you not voice chat yesterday? Creeper, why did you not voice chat yesterday?
You Deadpool the legend?
No, I said why did you not voice chat?
What are you doing? No. Sorry.
Okay.
I think I was like help you out
Okay, guys, we're back.
okay guys, I need some ingots to get some achievement armor.
Yeah, same too.
Oh, you already going to diamond?
Wait, Creeper, let's make after this video, guys. After this video, we're making a survival video. Please, guys, subscribe.
Okay, I'll make this fence.
Creeper,
Wood?
Creeper, Creeper,
This
Creeper.
No.
1 second, guys. Let's get some. Permanent.
Already green coming for us.
Green is coming. Green is coming.
Green is coming for us. Giant flame, hurry, come back.
Guys, hurry, build.
Lag, why lag? No, lag. Lag.
No, I died. Lag. I hate you, lag. Lag is the worst. Lag.
No, I found the boy.
AFK. No, I died. We died.
No, there we go.
Wait. Creeper. Today we're making a survival video at 10 o'clock. Yes. And we're also going live. Right, Creeper? Creeper, right? Oh, hi, Dream skins. They have dream skins. Wow, they have dream skins. Hi, Dream. Dude.
Hopefully you lose to us.
Yeah.
You're not the best person.
Yeah. Please, guys, subscribe. Please, subscribe.
And we know that you are better than Technoblade.
No, he's not. It's a fake dream, guys. It's a fake dream.
So you know I'm a really big fan of Dream Guys.
Yeah, please, guys, subscribe to me. Please, subscribe.
And you know I really like Dream and Technoblade.
Yeah, Dream is so good. And Typical Gamer. Typical Gamer is super cool.
Well, I also like this game. Please subscribe there.
Yeah, subscribe to him. Oh, yes, I got some stuff. We will need fermenter. No, this one. Then I'm gonna also get this. Okay.
I'm gonna get on so. Gamer, you defend the bed.
I don't have armor yet. Guys, there's red coming. I need some stuff right now. Oh, that's good stuff. Okay, I got some stuff. Who's defending the bed? Somebody defend the bed.
Okay.
Somebody defend.
Good. You got away good. Okay. Dragon Day, we're going for glue.
I got some emeralds. Nobody is defending a bed, Creeper. Creeper, nobody's defending the bed. Creeper. I didn't. I'm like, okay, I'll follow you guys. Go. Somebody defend it. Guys, blue is coming for me. Blue is coming. No, I died. Okay, Creeper. Creeper. Creeper.
Ready, everybody? No.
Creeper. 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 Okay, so how about this? How about we go together at the emerald spot and whoever is there, we can kill them. Because it will be 2v1. It will be 2v1. Let's go, guys. Let's go get emerald. Let's go get emerald. Yeah, let's go for blue. They're gonna get killed. I did not take damage. No. 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 Creeper, we died. Creeper, let's do it again. I need 7 dragon flame. Can you give me some what is it, gold? I need gold. I need 5 gold. I need 5 gold. I need 5 gold. Let's go. Let's go for blue, right? Let's go for blue. Creeper. Creeper?
Yeah?
Let's go for blue. Creep. No, you died? No. Oh no, I died. Guys, please subscribe to me. I need all the good luck from you guys. Please. Please. Subscribe to me. Somebody's here. Get them. Get them. Creeper. Creeper. We died.
Yeah?
Creeper, we died.
I was just doing some stuff.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
Guys, please subscribe to me. Please, guys, subscribe to me. Dragon Flame, do you like my skin? Dragon Flame, do you like my skin?
Bye.
Please, guys, subscribe. Hit the notification bell, please.
I'm gonna have to leave. Okay, bye.
Bye, Creeper. Bye, Creeper. Okay, guys. We're still playing. Creeper and Dragon Flames left. We're the only one. Please, guys, hit the notification bell. We have to win, not lose, okay? If you don't subscribe, you're not going live with us today. We're going live. Not live tour, I meant. Not like that.